the AI surge and its impact on warfare and global power. Artificial intelligence is no longer just about chatbots or automation. It is rapidly transforming warfare, diplomacy, and global power structures. An editorial in The Hindu warns that AI could become the most disruptive force humanity has ever created. AI is now being used in autonomous drones, cyber weapons, surveillance systems, and battlefield decision making. This marks a shift from human controlled warfare to algorithm driven conflict. Recent conflicts have shown how AI powered drones and systems can neutralize even powerful conventional armies. This creates what experts call asymmetric power. Smaller actors, even non state groups, can cause massive damage using AI tools. But the real danger lies elsewhere. AI systems can make decisions faster than humans and sometimes without clear accountability. This raises ethical concerns, especially when AI begins to outpace human control. For UPSC, this topic is extremely rich. It fits GS Paper 3, Defense and Technology, Ethics, and is excellent for essay writing. The real question is no longer whether AI will change the world, it is whether human institutions can keep up with it.